To borrow money from the cash shop, start by opening the cash shop and checking your eligibility for the borrow feature, which is determined by factors such as your cash shop and cash card usage, credit score, credit history, and location. If necessary, navigate to the banking header by tapping on the home screen icon. Then check for the Borrow option. If you see this option, you can proceed with your loan application. Tap on Borrow and then on Lock to unlock and activate the feature. The cash shop will then indicate how much you are eligible to borrow, and you should select an amount that fits your financial situation and repayment capabilities. Choose a repayment plan from the available options, ensuring it aligns with the amount you intend to borrow. It is crucial to read the user agreement carefully, understanding all terms and conditions to avoid unexpected expenses. Once you have selected a suitable repayment plan and understood the agreement, you can finalize your loan. Remember to use the loan responsibly and make timely repayments.